Hi, I'm Amit from Lithe Audio, and we're at ISE this week. We're announcing our new products, which we'll be launching this year. So this is our brand new Micro Sub, which will spin round, and you'll see it properly in a minute. But this is it's a small sub designed for kitchens or bedrooms or other rooms of your house, and to complement our wireless ceiling speakers, so you can link in with these, and it just adds that extra bass for your music. This sub also has Airplay 2 built in, so it's not just for our system. If you have other Airplay 2 speakers, you can just simply plug this in and group it through the Airplay system and work with other brands and other speakers as well. It will also work with Control 4, has Bluetooth, and has Ethernet in and out. So just a real compact sub designed to disappear in your room and give you that extra bass that will make your music sound amazing, basically. If you want to find out more, have a look at litheaudio.com or drop us an email.